Hey guys, this is Mr. Price back with you again with another little tutorial video about how to complete your assignments today. So today we're going to be talking about text coding. Text coding is something that good readers do to help make note of things that they realize about the text. You can see what all the text codes are. Please take the time to read those. But just a couple examples like why when you read something that makes you say, yeah, I knew that, or I predicted that, or I saw that coming. I trust you guys to read these, but I'm going to jump down to the little eyeball. That one is kind of hard to make because there isn't just like a little eyeball key symbol for you. So I'll show you how to do that a little bit later in the video. But let me jump to how you're going to be using these text codes. I have brought up an example article using Kami, and what I'm going to do is click this comment section, and then when I am reading along and I reach a point where I make some sort of connection that relates back to these text codes, I click once and it makes this little dot. And then off to the right, I'm able to put the symbol for what kind of connection I made, and then also a complete sentence explanation, maybe even 2 sentences, explaining the connection that you are making. So, for example, the first one that I put is that the author stated that some of the offenders are about to start looking like convicts, and so I thought that was pretty wild, and that I can't believe the students are being compared to convicts. Just a little bit further on in the reading, I saw that it said that violators of the district's beefed up dress code must don navy blue coveralls unless they get another set of clothes from home or serve in school suspension. And I thought, this is that, really important, vital, key, memorable, powerful thing of this article, because it's that policy that is creating all of this uproar. And so I put a star there and explained that. This is what's causing all the uproar. This seems like a really poor policy. Now, I'm going to show you how I make one of these comment points and jump back to where I said I was going to show you how to make that I symbol that goes along with it. So this spot right here where it says that the 2,650 student district has ordered 82 coveralls, which are most often sold to county jails, state mental institutions, and juvenile prisons. School districts have bought lunch trays and similar items from inmate labor, but no other school district has ordered the jumpsuits in the last year. I thought that describing them like that they're often sold to county jails, state mental institutions, and juvenile prisons, allowed me to kind of visualize exactly the sort of outfits they're going to be providing these students. So I thought that was a appropriate moment to use this I symbol that we were talking about. So I'm going to make one, I have to hold shift, or on my keyboard at least I have to hold shift, and then I make the less than symbol, hit the letter O, or the letter 0. The letter 0 seems to look better. And then the greater than symbol. And then, so I've got the I there. I'm going to write my explanation. So as you can see, I said this description of the coveralls helps to visualize how the students will be dressed. They will look just like prisoners and inmates in mental institutions. So that is what you're going to be doing today. you guys have an article that is being assigned through Kami. I want you to make text codes through that. You need to make at least 3 text codes. Please save your Kami with the annotations and then submit. Thank you so much, and as always, feel free to ask me any questions if you come across them.